Page 27, Hush Little Baby. They're not really presenting anything new here. We're using the stuff we've already had, but let's talk a little bit about some things. That they have this writing time thing where they want you to take a pencil, and they want you to draw lines through the note heads for the right hand. And they show you the example where the line goes straight across, or if the note goes straight across, the line will. If the note goes up, the line goes up slightly. If you want to do that, go right ahead. It's only for the right hand, not for the left. So in the first line, it's not the first note. That's left hand. But all the rest of them can be the right hand. And in the second line, it's the first two notes that are left hand, and all the rest of them are right hand. So you can draw the line for those if you want. I'm not sure why they want the lines drawn, because that's not how music works. But I guess it's to reinforce, you notice the note went up a little bit. Well, if it goes up on the keyboard. Hopefully you've already realized that's happening. But okay, whatever. Let's look at this baby thing and see what it's up to. I look it over, I see it's 2 lines long, but it has a repeat sign, so we're going to play it twice. 4/4 time signature, so there's still 4 counts in a measure, and a quarter note gets a count. I see quarter notes and half notes and whole notes. We got them all here. The hands, where do they go? They show you the chart. The right hand, you're going to put your thumb on middle C, just like we did last time here. We're not going to use the little finger this time, but you can go ahead and leave the hand here. Anyway, the little finger can just rest. And the right hand is going to be 3rd finger on G. So really, we're in this position, but we're only using these notes. But the hand, you just rest the hand there. It's fine. The idea isn't you don't have to pull the other fingers back and only use these fingers. No, the whole hand goes up comfortably, but you're only going to use certain fingers is all. And first one is the right hand, or the left hand is 1, 2, 3. So I'm using 3rd finger. They give the finger numbers. You got to follow finger numbers. I don't like reading finger numbers, but that's what they're doing in this book, so that's what we're doing here. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then I'd repeat 1, 2. You get the idea, I hope. If I play the right note, it would help. And the beat is steady all the way through, at whatever speed you choose. You don't have to take it at my speed. No hesitations, though, and go ahead and get this like everything else, except where you have to move the hands. If your hands are not moving, they're staying still, you want to be able to play it without looking at the keyboard. When your hands move around, you got to look around, you got to look down to see where they're going, but otherwise, we don't, hopefully. Now you have a P at the beginning. The P, remember, stands for piano, which plays soft. Well, you're singing to a little baby, so I guess you want them to go sleep or something, so you're going to be quiet. Whatever you think soft is. So this whole thing is soft. And then at the end of the second line, at the repeat sign, you say C, play MF second time. That means when you repeat it, you're going to play it the second time. Now you're going to play a MF, or mezzo forte, which is sort of loud. So I guess now you're going to wake the kid up. I'm not sure. So wake him up to tell him to go to sleep or something. I'm not sure what they're on that. It seems to me like you do it louder the first time and soft the second. That's not what they want. They want, okay. Let's play this duet at the bottom. I'm going to play that, and you play this thing. But again, I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard. So just pretend middle C instead of here is up here. So instead of here, you're up here. Play it all up here. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.